Hey there, welcome back to another tech video. I am Deepankar and today I will talk about predictive text feature of Mac. The feature predicts words and phrases as you type based on your typing patterns and contextual clues. Some people like it, some don't. If you are into the don't group, stick around. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off predictive text on Mac. First, click Apple logo at the top left corner and click System Settings. Look for the keyboard option in the left sidebar and click on it. Now find Input Sources and click Edit. Find Show Inline Predictive Text and turn it off by moving the switch. Click Done to save. You are done. It will turn off predictive text feature on Mac. The feature is also available on iPhone. I have already made a video on how to disable predictive text feature on iPhone. Don't forget to watch that video. I am adding the link in the description and video card. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Until next time, take care.